If you're looking to switch up the currency on Depop, then here's a quick guide for you. Open up the Depop app on your mobile device and head to your profile by tapping on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now, start by tapping on the Home tab and look for the Payments tab located in the top right corner. Now, once you've navigated to the payment section, just take a moment to scroll down until you come across the payment settings. This section may be positioned a bit further down the page. Now, within the payment settings, there's a specific option labeled currency. Directly tap on this currency option and subsequently a list of available currency options will be displayed on your screen. Now, it's decision time. Carefully choose the currency that aligns with your preference from the comprehensive list provided, and this step ensures that your Depop experience reflects the currency you're most comfortable with. Now, once you've made your selection, make sure to save or apply the changes, and that's it. That's the entire process of changing your currency on Depop. It's as straightforward as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.